Hello again, it's Alan here. So this time I want to talk you through our own director module class. So, well, actually, I'll show you how we started first. So, in main, um, all we do is require the director and start it. Um, this here is just this is for checking memory leaks, which is a real big annoyance in the development of this game. Um, so we require the director and run it. So that runs this module here. um, so it's just a set of, it's an enter frame listener, and every frame it just checks to see if any of the booleans in any of the modules that are running change. So if they change, it means something is finished and the game state is ready to move to the next state. So for example, the load level, for the load level it displays a wee instruction screen. So if I just run the game here, you'll be able to see it. I'll turn it down a little bit. So let's just run level 1, instruction screen, okay, and the game doesn't start until you touch the screen and the level is loaded. Okay, so it doesn't start until both of those things are done. So you touch it and it's gone. Okay, so let's not have that audio in the background. So in the load level, we have the level table. So level table here, this contains all the global variables in load level. So all the variables that we need outside of load level. And it contains all the functions. All the global functions, that is. So yep, so the level loads. So this is all the level loading. And when that's done, we set level table.finished to true. Okay. Then at the bottom here, I have an enter frame listener for start game. And I also before that, sorry, I have an event listener for the instruction screen. So once the game is finished, level table.finished will be true. That's if it's finished loading. Then once the instruction screen has been touched, level table.touched will be equal to true. Okay. So then in the director, if level table or load level, I've called it here, .finished is true and touched is true, then we set game to true, load level.game. So this is where this enter frame listener comes in. It's checking to see if game has been set to true by the director module. And if it has, it removes everything, unloads all the stuff we don't need, like the instruction screen. It sets a few things to nil. However, unload level does most of this. Director will call that now in a minute. I'll show you that. Then it positions everything down onto the screen because, as I mentioned before, or I'll mention in a later video, I'm not sure which video that is in, but we display them off screen and then move them down when you're ready to play. And then set the game to false, level table.game, and add the enter frame listener for the parallax function. And the parallax function just moves everything across or not, depending on what layer it's on. So then director, after all that's done, it'll set finish to false, touch to false, reset the variables, and it'll call the game.game loop, and it'll pass the level that's in it. So this is the game.game loop, and this is our entire game module, and it does everything. It's the game loop, and it takes in the level there. So I'll explain this game loop. I'll give a brief summary of it, as brief as I can be, in